Hello, my name is June. So I recently bought my dream car, a 4x4 Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series. I have big dreams and aspirations with this car and can't wait to take her on her first camping trip. But before that, since it is a 30-year-old truck, some restoration is essential. So I'm taking you along on this restoration journey. I am now at a workshop in Temple, Seremban, and I've been told to come here to look for a certain master, a Sifu, who is apparently quite talented at bodyworks. So here I am, and I have an important agenda today, which is to strip the car down naked. And this is Wong Sifu. Sifu, 早晨。
其實你要做就比較容易咯。OK， 這個飛浪啊，這個可以拿出來這個。
Before we start, let's talk about the engine bay for a bit. So this is the 1KZ engine, and it's got the radiator here, and all the oils have been changed. The timing belt has been changed by the owner about 2 years ago, so I think I will just leave it for now and change a new timing belt maybe in a year or two. Many of you have been so kind to share with me your thoughts and insights and tips about the overheating problems in the 1KZ engine. But it should be alright because this car has been performing pretty good for years, and its radiator is working well. It's a 7-blade fan radiator. One of you even suggested me to upgrade from a 7-blade fan to a 10-blade fan. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that now, but yeah, I will keep that in mind. I think for now it is not really necessary. All is well. I'm so nervous. And just within minutes, the LC is completely stripped down naked. Initially, before we stripped the car down, I was actually quite nervous because you know what they say, it is this stage when you strip the car down and inspect every single thing in detail. That's when you may find certain surprises which sometimes may not be very pleasant. But I am glad to report that after a thorough inspection by Wong Sifu, he actually said that the car is in a pretty good condition and just a little bit of rust here and there, just 10% of the whole vehicle that has got a bit of rust. But in his words, he said there's no problem, all can be sorted out. So, all good. So after ripping everything out, we are also sorting through the wiring, which is, to me, it is such a big maze and there's so many wires. But I'm pretty sure Sifu knows what he's doing. Just getting rid of whatever that's not functional anymore and to organize the wires a little bit. I'm not very useful here, so this is my one and only job scope. Oh, look at what we found! Some fishing gear! This is like a little treasure hunt.
这个是 four wheel making， 进 four wheel 啊，
进 four wheel 的啦。
这两个
OK。
four wheel 啦。啊 making OK。这个是冷气风扇。这个我也是新的换好了。这个是比如说 OK 了，可以放下去，然后盖住它可以了。
啊，这个是 radiator，radiator， 这 radiator 的头。
对，这个是 power steering 油
，power steering 我油
，power steering， 这个是 brake， 这个一样的油
，brake fluid
啊，一样放的，这个是
clutch
啊，这个是对，油是一样的，这个底色的 filter， 你做一次 service 要换掉它。 啊 ，filter 的这个是
diesel filter
啊 ，diesel filter 刹不到车，这个要崩的，这个崩。
哦，如果刹不到车就崩。
不是刹不到啊，它有风就很难踩哦。然后diesel一定要用这个按咯，有时你跑到没有油了啊，你再进油很难发车，它有风了，你如果不要崩这个就可以了。
哦 ，OK，
diesel 是这样子的车。
哦。
petrol 都不用。
有很多人都是放2粒 battery， 是为什么呢
？OK， 你不要放 battery 了，你去小区买 power bank， 这个会 support 给他的，他会拉歪呀 support 这个 power bank 给他。
OK， 拜拜，王师傅，哈哈 ，See you。
里面有平面状，对吧？啊 ，OK， 现在我发出来了。
Sifu has done some patching up work. Originally there was a hole here for the PTO winch. I think the previous owner has shifted it here, so leaving a big hole over here, which I think was the main cause of the loud noise, the loud cabin noise. So we have patched this up. Should be alright after this. Today I've got an agenda because I'm such a newbie at this and I don't really know cars well, I don't know engines well, I don't know the wirings well. So I have got the favor from Wong Sifu to help me with the labeling of all the wirings here. Hopefully it's easier for me to maintain in the future.
交谁咯 ？Fuel pump relay。
Fuel pump relay。
Fuel pump relay。
Fuel pump 是哪一个？
这个整个。
这个。
啊。这个是 horn relay。Horn。啊 ，horn relay。
Fog lamp. Icon 啊。
谢谢。应该是 four wheel vacuum。
Four wheel vacuum. Central locking 啦。
啊，对。 啊，这个 walkie 的，
哦 ，walkie-talkie 的 wiring 啊。
啊。进电脑的，但是里面有 ACU 了，没有用了。
可是这个是什么？
啊，看它会热没有？对，米的。
所以这个会去到那个米的啦。
啊
，OK，
这个我看看。
It is another beautiful day at Wong Sifu's workshop, and today we are doing insulation. This is the old layer that was on the ceiling of the car. You can see it's got its wear and tear and moldy spots, so this has got to go. Into the bin. Bye bye. Thank you for your service all these years. To your previous owner. So after removing the old carpet on the ceiling and the older insulation material, which was fiberglass, unfortunately we have revealed some rust on the ceiling. So I'm gonna get rid of this rust as much as possible and then put on a coat of anti-rust and then let it dry, and we will then put on the insulation on the roof. I think this will have to do. Don't want rust in my eyes. Looks like this is gonna take a while. Finally done removing all the rust, scraping the rust off the roof. That's quite a bit of work. And I'm just glad that there's no hole in the roof and it's all just superficial minor rust. Time to clean it up and then apply a layer of anti-rust paint. And then we are ready for the next step. A layer of anti-rust done. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry. So this is the insulation material that I will be using for my Land Cruiser. Got a whole roll of this Insuflex, made in Malaysia. This is a closed cell NBR, nitrile butyl rubber, and it's got very good thermal insulation qualities and also for sound dampening as well. 9 millimeters thick. On one surface it's got an extra aluminium layer to improve its insulating properties, and on the other side is a layer of self-adhesive, which will definitely make our lives easier when putting it on the car. An aluminium layer and self-adhesive. Self-adhesive, it makes our job so simple. It's just like plain stickers. So this material is really good. It's closed-cell NBR, so good thermal insulation properties, good for sound deadening, it's waterproof, it's heat-proof. This Land Cruiser will be ready for all kinds of weather conditions. Part is so intricate. I'm letting Wong Sifu do it. I'm not gonna touch and destroy it all. Wong Sifu, 加油! Insulating the doors now. This is before insulation. After insulation. And just like that, insulation is done. Coming up in the next episode, the restoration work continues and, well, we stumble upon an issue, which is not a tiny one. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you want to see the outcome of my Land Cruiser restoration, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.